thorough butt cleaning. Clutch. So yeah, don't let it go. You hold on to that butt. You clean it. Baby monkey fights.
Climb, monkey, climb.
You know what they're thinking right now. How can I be cute so I can distract them to steal their stuff? Well, that's an unpleasant angle. Oh, now he's waiting for a ride. Look at this guy.